So today we're gonna do the dip bleached jean shirt. So I just got this, like, it's pretty cheap. I got it from Walmart, and we're just gonna dip it in a bleach solution. So you have your bleach, and you have some hot water. So you're gonna add like 3 parts hot water, 1 part bleach, and then add some salt. And if you see my other video, those are the jeans that I made. They're just sitting right there. And so you want to just add the bleach, and the salt's supposed to make it like have a more like of a get a better bleach. I don't know, that's what they say. I don't really know anything about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bleach we're gonna add. We're probably gonna add a lot, kind of a lot of water too, and we'll pour some of it out. Alright, there we go. So we got some bleach. I'm gonna add a lot. I think they agitated at the water so it doesn't like burn through your shirt. If it's too much bleach, it'll just ruin it rather than give it a cool effect. I'm probably gonna add all of it. There we go. And then now we're gonna add our little bit of salt. Alright, that looks like enough. And then just take this and we're going to mix it around. This one's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. The part that you want dipped, bleached, you're going to just sit in there, and then it kind of should rise up the fabric and then give it the ombre look. This is my first time, so we'll see how it goes. Just stick however much you want in there and let it sit. I'm gonna let it set for like 2 hours. I put it pretty much white, and so we can see how that goes. I'll be back in 2 hours. Alright guys, looks like the dip dyed ombre shirt is done. See what it looks like. I got him to pull it out. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking kind of nice. Yeah, this is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it and show it when it comes out of the wash and dryer. This is the final product of the ombre dipped bleach jean shirt. Looks pretty cool. You know, some of you find it at any of the stores you probably shop at. Definitely some. This is probably my favorite one I did all day. Really nice. Alright, stay tuned and watch the other videos with the dip dyes or the tie-dye.